Good morning. It's Kat. Today is Tuesday, and I'm here with your daily spiritual astrological message. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started with the 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Let all that stuff go. Second breath. On this breath, we're releasing all disease, toxicity, and negativity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, toxicity, and negativity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. And we're seeing all that darkness and nastiness being replaced in our bodies by this beautiful white light. It's filling us completely up, and it's going out and creating this beautiful protective circle of white light, love, and the will to good. And that circle is protecting us today, and it's protecting us from disease, negativity, and toxicity. It's all bouncing off our bubble and going back to wherever it came from. So anyway, great place to start. We're going to continue on our journey of self-discovery this week. And today we have a couple of little energetic changes going on. The first one's kind of interesting. The moon moves into Taurus. So while we're in this spiritual, altruistic, energetic mode, we're going to get feelings today of, yesterday we were talking a little bit about compromising ourselves so that for the money or for the status. Today we're really being challenged by that. We are being challenged with the idea that we don't feel that what we can uniquely offer, or this idea that we've been playing around in our head about something different that we could be doing, or a different relationship that we could move into. We're like really in conflict today because, yeah, Kat's saying all that great stuff, but here's the bottom line. Bottom line is I'm making buku bucks doing what I'm doing. Okay, I'm not the happiest. I'm not satisfied, but I look around my house. I have all these nice things. I can take a vacation whenever I want. I can go wherever I want. The job isn't the greatest and it doesn't make me happy, but it gives me what, it gives me rewards that I can use in my other parts of my life. I don't know. I don't know about this, following my bliss stuff. I don't think it's going to get me as much as this job, even though it stinks. It's, you know what I mean? So I could ramble on about that, but you know what I'm talking about. It's compromising ourselves, our values, and our character for stuff and for status. Well, if I stay in this job, I'm going up that corporate ladder. No, I don't like it. And yes, I have to compromise my values. I might even have to compromise my ethics. But I'm looking good. I'm looking real good. Now, just to let you know, just so that we're all real clear about this, as we're working on this of compromising ourselves, that these outer manifestations of the money and of the power and the status, temporary, not coming from within. So don't expect those things to remain the same. They are transient. So, advice to us today: we can be accountable. We can be objective with ourselves and see what it is that is not satisfying us, or what it will take to satisfy us, to make us feel fulfilled. And then we need to start looking in that direction, regardless of the sparkly little trappings. of what all that glitters is not gold. That is one of our cards, one of our oracle cards. And it's not gonna stay. It is gonna go away, especially with this new energy coming in. Doesn't support that low vibration of physicality. So either we suck it up, get accountable, start thinking about what it is we want to create for ourselves moving forward, or we can stay and we will continue to deteriorate, and eventually everything will crumble, and we'll have the opportunity again to see what we can contribute and what will make us satisfied and feel fulfilled. So by not choosing to do that now, we're just putting it off to the future is all I'm saying. Now, the other thing that is happening today is the sun is in Pisces and it's sextiling Pluto and Capricorn. It's a great day for group work. Aquarius is all about working together. Pluto represents the masses, the public. So lots of opportunities today for group work, coming up with solutions, resolutions, ideas that are not ordinary, that are a little out of the box, that are different, and they're supported. And together in the groups, whether it's our family, we come up with a new way of budgeting, or the job, we come up with a new way of processing something, or whatever it is. Together, working in groups, we can create some pretty amazing things today and come up with some pretty incredible solutions to some problems. So keep that in mind today. Let's see what the advice is from our, what did I call that Sunday? Our consciously intelligent beings. Yes, that's us. That's who we really are. And that's who all this wonderful support is in the spiritual realms. We have all kinds of incredible support rooting for us, helping us get through this physical experience. We just got to let them help us pretty much. Okay, advice for us today, please. Aw, heal the ouch. Strength. And home. Okay, the message for us today is either we have caused pain to someone else, or someone has caused pain to us. Now, going along with our theme, you know, we are finding that we're in a relationship, or in a job, or we're in a situation that is not bringing us satisfaction. It's not bringing us fulfillment. It's actually bringing us pain. It's actually bringing us heartache. So as we work with the energy this week, it's our wonderful opportunity to make a conscious decision, to make a change, to become accountable for who we are, to stop just falling into what it kind of works because it's comfortable and it's easy. You know, heal that pain with us and then within ourselves. And how we do that is we make a new decision. We make a new decision to be accountable for ourselves and our feelings. And we also, if we have done that to someone else, if we have related with someone else in anger or in jealousy, this is our opportunity to actually mend that relationship. And how do we mend it? Yes, love, gratitude, abundance. Heal the ouch, either within ourselves or if we have done that to someone else today. Yes, it takes strength. It takes strength to be true to self. It takes strength to be accountable for our stuff and who we are. But we have it. And spirit is supporting us as well. So we have the strength we need to break away from relationships, situations, or jobs, careers that are not healthy for us, that are not helping us grow, that are leaving us exhausted, frustrated, instead of fulfilled. And home. Always a good place to start. Home is two places. It's our physical home around us. And we want to make sure that our physical home reflects our internal home. So we want to make sure our physical home this week is straightened and orderly as we go through this process of objectively looking at ourselves and if we are in the right space in our lives or if we need to make changes. And then the other home is this home. Life is lived from the inside out, right? It's this home here. It's being comfortable with who we are and getting back to that true self, that authentic self, and embracing it wholeheartedly and putting it out there into the world with strength and courage, knowing that, because we've already been told it doesn't fit. We've already been told part of us isn't accepted. But now we're going to have the courage and the strength to put ourselves out there. And we're not going to be apologetic to anyone. We're going to hold our heads up and be proud of who we are today. So make it a great day today. Come see me on Facebook if you'd like a little daily inspirational message. It's Facebook. My Facebook is Soul Sister Cat, and it's a K for the cat. Also, like, subscribe, and share if you like the content, and also let me know your thoughts. And remember, like I just said, life is lived from the inside out. Be accountable for self. Be true to self today. Be true to self today. Don't let anyone else tell you that you aren't perfect and wonderful the way you are. Take care and namaste.